sun squint for you. No fancy one-liners to open up the vlog. You know how a lot of vlogs open up. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. Blah, blah. Nothing like that today. Just, we're on the GoPro today. Audio is going to be a little bit different, but I am glad that you're back on the channel. I just want to thank everybody for the support for this past Sunday's vlog where we remembered Lana. And as you know from watching my channel, you know that I sell Corvettes, but what I present to you guys here is not all about selling cars. And the response, the comments were just wonderful, very touching. Many of you watched it over and over again. It gave you a chance to kind of reflect on your own lives. It was so nice that Ray sent that to me and gave us an opportunity to share all those wonderful memories that he and his wife had with their Corvette. Thanks again, everybody. If you didn't see that video, there's a link down below in the description in typical YouTube fashion. And coming up on the channel, I've got more. I'm sitting here thinking of the different content I'm going to bring you guys. Yeah, I mean, look at right now. We're open for business. Most of it's internet, man. It is just weird. This time of the year, I usually have droves of people here, tons of emails. We're all going through different trying times. I'm starting to feel it, man. It's getting pretty crazy. But still to come on the channel, I've got some really neat, fun C7 send-offs for you and C8 send-offs. And if you've been on my social media pages, Corvette Conti and Rick Corvette Conti on Instagram, you saw me talk about this. Like, what is that? This is not for you guys, my Corvette freaks and friends and fans out there. This is because so many of you are stuck at home. Maybe you know somebody with little kids, maybe it's grandkids, and starting to climb the walls right now, right? Okay, so I'm trying to think of different things that can keep my mind focused and keep content with you guys. So I want to do something, it's called Reading with Rick. It's a children's series I'm going to do on Saturday mornings for a couple of weeks. I mean, they've probably played all the board games they can play, probably colored all the coloring books they can color, and yeah, it's getting crazy. So I want to do a little old school. Remember when we were first grade or so, and the teacher would read us a book, and got done reading the page, and they'd turn around and show it to the class? Like, oh, wow. So that's all, nothing fancy, just another way. So tell your kids, the grandkids, to gather around the computer, maybe make it kind of a family thing, a little Reading with Rick this Saturday morning. And if it goes over well, I'll take some suggestions on other books if you guys would like. And again, it's nothing Corvette oriented. It's a lot of people that are stuck at home. You see a lot of celebrities doing that now. They're getting creative and doing things from their home. And I've got some other ideas for you guys. But today, it's Tuesday. It's time now for a quick tip from Rick. It's about Corvette ownership and operation. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. A lot of people, that is still one of the biggest concerns and complaints of not knowing how to use those features on the car. You see behind me, I don't know how well it's coming up on it. Should come pretty darn good on the GoPro. Sebring Orange Z06, and sometimes it'll appear to be like a red on the vlog, but I parked it purposely, and I'm losing a little bit of sun there, next to a torch red. So now you can see the disparity, even with the sun ducking behind that cloud there. Sebring Orange, torch red. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done that. The official intro should have been exhaust note, and then you heard the car start. But it's nice to hear that pitter-patter of our babies. All right, let's get in the car and show you a couple of things. All right, here's what's nice. If you have a C7 Corvette 2016 up to 2019, no matter what package you have, it comes standard with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And all you gotta do is plug it in to get that to work. And then it kind of seems like it's a Bluetooth. The confusion comes in when you hit this button to give it a command. Are you in Bluetooth command or are you in Apple CarPlay command? Now make sure if you can, use a factory cord, but plug it in right here into the center console. And then boom, that will come Apple CarPlay. All right, so Apple CarPlay is now active on the car. Hands-free calling, hands-free talk texting. Here's the difference though. When you hold this down for 1 second, you're into Bluetooth commands or into the car commands. You actually have to hold this down for 3 seconds to be in Apple CarPlay commands. So when you push that button, you gotta wait for the beep before you answer or talk. So in Bluetooth mode, let me try and text my son Ryan.
Say a command or say help.
Text Ryan Conti.
Do a long press of the push to talk button on your steering wheel to use voice commands for your CarPlay.
See, okay, so I gotta hold this in for 3 seconds. 2, 3. Text Ryan Conti.
What do you want to say?
Hey buddy, I'm on the vlog right now. Why don't you say hi to everybody and tell them what color Corvette you would order if you were to buy a 2020 right now.
Your message to Ryan Conti says, "Hey buddy, I'm on the vlog right now. Want to say hi to everybody and tell them what color Corvette you would order if you were to buy a 2020 right now. Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, I'll send it.
Okay, so you gotta wait for the beep. So what's cool about that is you're driving and doing voice prompts, and then she reads it back to you, make sure it's cool. Wait for the beep before you say yes or no. Hopefully he's by the phone. Usually he is, and he'll answer in real time that we don't have to edit, and then we can share his answer with you guys. See, now the message pops up and you're driving. I'll tap this, she'll read me the text.
Ryan said, "Black. Want to reply?"
No. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I thought he was going to say a little bit more than that. He knew that we were going to do this, so he talks as much off the vlog through text as he does when he's on. If you see my son Ryan on the vlog, you know he's kind of shy, fun kid, loves Corvette, but does not like to be on the vlog and doesn't talk when he is. Doesn't talk when he texts either. Hey, thanks, Ryan, appreciate that. But you get a quick idea how you can do that. Again, for Bluetooth commands, hold this for 1 quick second and give your commands. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Now you're into Apple CarPlay commands. So on a C8 Corvette, it's going to be just a little bit different. And we'll talk about that in future vlogs. But if you have a C7 now or about to buy a C7, it's no fun if you don't know how to use all of this stuff. And I want you guys to know how to use this stuff. That's what makes the drive just a little bit more enjoyable. Speaking of drive, you guys saw a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, I did that drive. It was a chance for me to just have a nice conversation with you and give you some honest feedback on the C8 Corvette, basically driving it in a manner that I'd never had an opportunity to do before. We're going to do the same thing in a C7 Corvette. We've talked about that over the past year. What we have right now in this transition from C7 to C8, yes, we're going into new territory, a whole new future for this car, whole new everything with this car. But we don't have distressed merchandise right now. We've got a fantastic car that is beautiful, a great value, and is certainly fun to drive. So coming up in a future vlog, I'm gonna hop in one of these C7s I got on the lot. We're gonna go for a drive, and I'm gonna give you more feedback on this car. So if you're trying to say, do I wait another year for a C8 or do I get something now, that bridge the gap thing that we've been talking about, the C7 is a viable purchase, extremely viable, and it's a wonderful value. And you guys are going to see that is I'll give you pros and cons about stuff, not to sell a car, but just so you have some feedback from a guy that truly loves representing the car, is a fan of the car, and is looking forward to doing business with you. All right, you guys get the gist of today's quick tip from Rick. Bluetooth commands, car commands, hold that button down on the steering wheel for 1 second and then give your voice commands. For Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, hold it down for 3 seconds, give your commands, wait for the beep, and just enjoy your car, enjoy the ride. Speaking of rides that I want you to enjoy, it's our online car show right now, something you guys look forward to every Tuesday. Here's the song from Anna Yvette, I Can't Wait to See You Again, as we feature your beautiful rides. Thanks for watching.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you